So I will start this session as introduction part. So in our introduction session, you know what is GATE exam and what is the advantages of having GATE exam. These things we know. So I will not go to this part like why GATE is important. Here intention is how to qualify GATE, and you all have taken admission because you know like what GATE is, what is the advantage, like everything you know about GATE exam. That's why you have joined this year. Okay, so now we are 19. Okay, so see what is the GATE syllabus, what I am going to cover, that I will explain here. And after this explanation, I will start today's class. But before that, I have invited a few old batch students because recently they have taken GATE 2023 exam, and they are having very recent experience. So some students, they have prepared for 2 years, some students, they have prepared for 1 year in regular batch. So first I have invited them so that they can give 2 to 3 minutes of talk. And intention behind this talk is new students can understand whatever we are going to experience throughout the year. This GATE talk, what I have like why I have another student, it is not about like uh, praising my coaching or uh, giving you some fear or something, like not that point. Intention behind this is like they will be sharing what they have gone through entire year and what makes exam good, and because of what you may lose your exam even though you are doing things better. So for that small talk, I have invited my old students also. So whoever has come, with them we will start this small session. So it may go some 12 to 15 minutes, which is very very important for new batch students. So one by one we can start this. uh, so from old students, let's start with whom. Let's start with like alphabet wise. I will ask Dushyant to start the session. Dushyant, you start the session, and you have to share what is the more important point students should take care throughout the year, either they are in 1 year or 2 year program, and whatever you want to mention, you just guide them, not the syllabus part, but other things. I hope you understood what my point is. Okay, Dushyant.
Okay. Good evening, sir, and good evening
Good
to all
evening.
of you. First, let me introduce myself. Okay. Hello.
Yes, Dushyant, go ahead.
Sir, I think someone is.
Yeah, I have muted her now.
So let me first introduce myself, sir. Sir, as you know, sir, my name is Dushyant. Currently, I'm a final year student from FGIT Library, and I belongs to Mathura. So, sir, in my opinion, or I can say, I joined your coaching in 15 May, I think 2021, and qualified GATE last year in 2022 and attempt this year. So according to my opinion or the suggestions I want to give to all of these students who are preparing for next year 2022, 2024 or 2025, 1 or 2 year course. First thing in my opinion is that I think the person who can handle the pressure of the exam in the examination hall is the main thing in my opinion. No matter how you can prepare your syllabus, panic, then you I think you can disturb or you can destruct your whole preparation in 3 hours. So first is how to overcome the panic, the pressure, the tension, the stress in the examination hall. And if you tackle that, then the next part is how you prepared. The syllabus is complete or not, and you can how you score in a mock test series, and how quickly you solve the PYQs, how many times you revise the syllabus, the formulas, the concept, how they are going in your mind at that time. So in my opinion, first of all, you have to complete the syllabus as soon as possible in a small time. We can say, uh, according to our coaching, the syllabus is completed on around the month of October, mid of October, September ending. So you also complete the syllabus in that time, so that you can revise all the syllabus 3, 4, 5, or 6 times when you attempt the GATE next year. So first thing is that you complete the whole syllabus as soon as possible, according to the coaching, or you can also run faster by yourself by completing aptitude part, mathematics part, and small things like space वगैरह. And the second thing is complete uh, PYQs, and not completing the PYQs is like I solved PYQs. Give your effort to know how the concept is applying in that PYQs, because it is very important. If I talking about IIT Kanpur paper, that is 2023, it is totally conceptual based. The formula we can learn in the time of preparation. They are just like small, very few formulas are putting, and the answer is get like Baki. It's like all about the conceptual paper, and if your concepts are weak, then definitely you will lose marks, and you will disturb your whole preparation, and you upset yourself and your family. So first thing is, please, that's why our coaching name is also concept library. First you build up your concept, after that you will go for another things. And lastly, I can say that if you are a third year student, then in your subconscious mind, I think it is like it says that you have one more chance, one more year to crack the GATE. So your pressure is already less as compared to fourth year, or we can say dropper students. So 30 in my condition, when I was in third year, I complete like 50 to 60% syllabus, and I attempt GATE, and I easily qualified GATE. That time I think organized by IIT Kharagpur. Paper is not like tricky as this year, but yeah, many students who are preparing well and 100% syllabus are not qualified at that time in my college as well, and in coaching as well. So it's, I think, is very important to tackle the pressure, and the how you execute your performance in that examination hall is very important for all of you. So uh, I end my talk with the best wishes and all the best to all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dushyant. Dushyant, you have given very good speech here. I hope students have understood a lot of points. That's why I have mentioned here. Dushyant, one thing you explain again, like you said, handle pressure, but
Yes,
like how can they handle pressure? Because pressure is kind of a natural thing, and
yes.
definitely because of pressure, they are going to miss a lot of numericals, lot of concepts in live exam hall. So just before few days, you have taken this exam. So how to handle pressure in live exam? Or
Sir,
okay,
if I
can we work out during
yeah,
test series? Can we improve this?
yes, I will add something, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, in my opinion, first of all, the pressure is like first of all, you will ready for all the conditions. The paper is easy, paper is medium, paper is very tough, paper is conceptual, paper is tricky. Your mind is already ready for that situation. You will prepare yourself as like I will score 90 plus, and you will prepare yourself as like if the paper is tough, still I am getting 40 plus, 50 plus as your condition, according to the condition. And how to tackle the pressure is like how you prepare. If your syllabus is not complete and this is your final year or a dropper year, the pressure is already on you, and 100%, if the paper is small, tricky, or conceptual, or we can say tough, then you can not perform well. So first of all, complete the whole syllabus. And plus thing is that if you are a third year student, then it is like one more year, and you can go for another year, but you also perform on that time, give your 100%, because if you qualify the gate in third year, then the next year you will like I will qualify. I already qualified last year, so I will, I think, improve my rank in top 100, top 10, one, as your conditions, as your situation, as your demand. So I think first complete your syllabus, and then prepare your mind according to the paper. The paper is tough, the paper is like easy, medium, anything, and any type of paper is given to me.
Okay. You are not audible, Dushyant, now. It seems you have some net problem there.
No, sir.
Okay, great.
Hello.
Great. It seems you have completed your talk.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Dushyant. Whatever he
Thank you.
has said, it is actually very practical part he was explaining. So now I will call a girl so that like it will be maintained like girl, boy, like that. So now, Aishwarya, now it is your turn. Aishwarya, you start the talk.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Now, today I'm going to share my 1 year experience, which I like. What were the
Aishwarya, your
problems?
basic introduction.
I'm Aishwarya. I completed my BTech from Chandigarh University. This was the first time I appeared for GATE, and this was my first attempt.
Okay, Aishwarya,
Yeah,
let's start.
now this 1 year journey is going to be very long, and in which you will face many difficulties, also problems. You will face certain problems, but you should try to figure them out and talk with sir. If you're facing any problem, you should talk with sir and try to like solve that problem if it is hampering your preparation. And there are some mistakes which I did in my like while attempting the paper. So I will like to point them out, like what mistakes I did. First of all, whenever you like see the paper, there is a pressure build up in your mind, like the paper is quite tough. Paper is quite tough, then there is a pressure build up. But you need to calm your mind first. Like you should have that belief that whatever preparation you have did is good enough. So good enough to tackle the problems. And first of all, read the question very carefully. Like sometimes we misinterpret the question and just answer wrongly. If it is an NAT, also like we do some calculation mistakes. And while like you are calculating, like spending 3 or 4 minutes on a single question, and finally you're getting the wrong answer. So there is no point of it. Like it is like you're totally wasting of 34 minutes on that particular question. So be careful with the calculation part and just be calm while attempting the paper, because panicking will definitely not allow you to like give your best. First of all, you should start with easy questions, like like you're able to answer the question in 1 minute, like just by simply reading the question you're able to come up with the solution. If they are not like theoretical questions, they are not conceptual, and this year paper was really conceptual, you should like work on building your concepts, because formula, like what I experience is like just knowing the formula is not certainly going to help you. Like, and this thing happened with me also. So you should like work on building the concepts and just stay calm while attempting the paper. And what the next thing is, don't waste more than 3 minutes on a particular question. Like you're wasting more than 3 minutes, and it's like won't be able to solve questions which are quite easier. Like and give a lot of test series also, which will help you to like manage your time properly and more efficiently. You will get an idea like how I'm supposed to deal with the exam. Yeah, so this is what I want to say.
Okay, Aishwarya, thank you so much. Again, we have calculated a lot of points here. Aishwarya, anything else you want to add here?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you so much,
Okay.
Aishwarya. Okay, thank you
Thank
so
you, sir.
much. I hope this is adding value. Karan, now this is your turn. Let's start, Karan. Start with your basic introduction. Karan, you're not audible. Karan, you're not audible. Karan is not audible, so I'm going to Himanshi, because Karan is not audible. Karan, please check your internet and come back again. Yeah, Karan, your voice is not coming here, so please join again. Himanshi, let's start with you.
Good evening, everyone. So my name is Himanshi, and rest of the introduction, if I qualified with a great rank, then you will all get to know. But for now, as per today's thing, we are gathered here to just start our new batch. Okay. So whether it is Gate 24 or Gate 25, all you have to do is study, and you have a whole 1 year gap. Same time in 2024, sorry, 24 and 25. In the same meantime, in the mid of the Feb, you will have to write your exam. And in that 3 hours, everything will be decided of your future. Even if you are going to IIT or IISc for masters or even PhD, or everything decides in this 1 year or 2 year gap. In this time, you will have a lot of problems. Trust me, a lot of problems that you are not even going to count. And some problems will be there which you think are not even a problem. They are just a sidekicks, but actually they are the problem. So what is the first problem is your mental health, because you are third or fourth year student. You already have been a lot in a pressure cooker by your family, peer pressure, by teachers, even the mentors who expecting a very good marks from you in your semesters and even the projects. So what to do in this 1 year, how to stay calm is your thing. You have to just think about yourself that what situation or what is the way that you can come out of that pressure. Okay, you just have to think for yourself. And I would like to share one thing, that I have anxiety problems. I get anxiety very, very, very quickly. So what I did is, I just have one thought in my mind, that is my last chance. If not 23, then I will not appear in any gate. So you have to think like that, that this is your last, or you are doing it for your sake. Okay. You are not doing for anyone else. You love aerospace. That's why you did the BTech. Okay. And BTech is, you already know that what kind of torture we have faced in 4 years. So you love aerospace. That's why you are here joining the coaching and preparing yourself for a battle. Okay. So this is for your sake. You have to do it by hook, by crook. I don't know how will you do it, but you have to do it. Second thing is, that is basically the very, very, very important thing. That is what to study and how to study. So many students kind of prepare a timetable, but you all know that we are never on a way to follow it. Okay, timetable are the worst thing that are invented in the life of a student. We are not going to prepare that. First of all, make this your checklist, that never prepare timetable. Just do what you love to. If you are doing the propulsion, that just do propulsion. Don't think that I have not studied structure for the whole day. Don't do this, because if you are mind is traveling between structure and propulsion, you are not going to understand both concepts of both the topics. Okay, so at a particular time, study only one concept. Make your mind prepared that if you are studying this particular topic, that I have to master it, and not master up to PhD level, but up to the level that you, if the question came in GATE exam, then you are going to write it. Okay. And if we see about PYQ questions, okay, we have a lot of different formats. We have a different kind of IIT. They prepare different kinds of exam, and PYQs are never repeated. This time it was tricky. It was a paper like only a aerospace lover can solve. Okay, if you are going like, if you are appearing in 2023 with the mindset that in propulsion only this topic are important and we are leaving it, then you won't be able to even clear the cutoff of gate 23, because it was a paper like, it they are asking from in every single direction. In the direction you can't even think. So what to do means, you don't know what to study, what to not. But we don't have any clear cut syllabus, first of all. So study everything, but not like that the topic is only about half an hour and you are spending more than one day. Study everything, but in a time phrase. If you are studying a very simple topic like Venn diagram, then make it quick. Just in half an hour, you just understand the concept, and in half an hour, just practice its numerical and all, and just move to other topic. And in the end of 1 month, study that. Revise, only revise. Nothing is going to help you while writing your GATE exam. Only revision will help. Okay, so whatever you study in 1 month of course, revise on 30 or 31st of that particular month. And you all know you are not going to revise the whole syllabus of whatever you studied in 1 month, but just try to grasp that what you have studied. Self check is very important while doing the preparation because it will let you connect it to the grounds. Okay, it will let you connect it to the roots that what you have studied and what is pending. Revision is very important. And if you think that I have not covered enough syllabus for the exam, or I have not done anything in 10 days due to any function in the home, due to your self problems, health issues, whatever, just do a self check that in this period of time, my average input was this and I got this much output. This is the self check. And if you think that you are below your mark, then you can do is in the next 1 week, you just revise, keep on revising those stuff, which will help you enhancing your performance. So self check is not only important for uh, your external marks and everything, but it will build up a confidence in you. And confidence is basically the key to write any kind of exam, not just engineering, but even your semester exam. Confidence is very important. So basically, the overall summary of the preparation are be a hell of confident. Like be like you are the warrior, you are going to a battle and you have to win. Confidence is important. Mental health is very, very, very important. Self check is important, and keep on revising the syllabus again and again and again. Many, if you revise many times the syllabus, okay, what will you get? Like you should get a conclusion, right? Why we are revising everything if we know a particular thing. So what revision helps is revision helps in keep your mind stuck in that particular thing. If you are keep on revising, it will sharpen your mind a lot. And last but not the least, calculator practice is very important because when we are in pressure, sometimes we even forget what is the square of 5. So calculation is very important. We have to calculate very fast. So even in your personal life, just delete your calculator that is installed in the phone and download Gate Calculator and practice it. Even if you have to multiply a very simple calculation, practice on Gate Calculator or nothing else. Because you have to move your hand like that. Where is the square root? One thing. Why do I have got a question?
Yes, Himanshi.
Actually, I dropped 1 year. I did my internship for 6 months and then I got a job offer, but I rejected and then I did the preparation.
Himanshi, what was the question? It seems someone asked you a question. Can you explain
Yes.
the question also?
So someone asked me that did I drop the year or not? And he is
Yeah,
confused what to do. Yeah, don't be confused. Just keep confident. Yeah, you are here for preparation. That means you have an attachment with the aerospace. So don't
Right.
let your spark, your attachment die during this kind of preparation or tough time. Aerospace engineering is one of the beautiful thing in the world.
Right. Well said. Very good.
And if not aerospace engineering, what will you do? Have you even thought? I till now I didn't even thought that if my result got bad, then what will going to happen with me? I'm just keeping myself positive that uh, on 21st when I going to check the answer key, matching the answer, not more than 8 questions will be wrong. I'm just hoping that. So don't let your positiveness die in this preparation. You already covered third or fourth year of engineering. So what is there to hold you back from winning a last battle, that is gate. Just do your best, yeah. You have 1 year, or 1 year. That is a whole lot of time. And I know approx 1 to 2 months we are going to be on bed. Like literally, we will be sick. We will have fever and all those kinds of shitty things that happen to a normal human being. But still, we have 8 months, 8 to 9 months. We can do a lot. Okay. So just go on. That's it, sir. All the best,
Okay.
all of you.
Thank you so much, Imanshi. Thank you so much. So, guys, actually, after 40 minutes, meeting used to get over, and almost every day in every class, I'll be saying this. After 40 minutes, meeting will get over, and using same ID and password, you all will join again. And I think two more speakers are in pending. Abhishek is in pending, and Vedant is in pending. Karan is in pending. Shruti is in pending. So three speakers are in pending, and why I am giving them chance, because they deserve this. Recently they have taken gate exam, and these people are like deserving candidates. They have done a lot for gate exam. Really, you guys are about to start. They have started, they have gone through the ups and downs of their preparation time. That's why I have invited them to talk. So everyone join again for the same meeting using same ID password. Do it now. So now I am inviting Karan to give all practical experiences, whatever he has felt in this 1 year in gate preparation. Karan, let's start with you. Karan, start with your basic introduction.
Okay, sir. Sir, my introduction will be in Hindi, sir, because my English is no much more strong.
Karan, your voice is not coming well. Take care of your mic or phone or whatever you are using device.
Sorry, sir. I think इतना ही है सर, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हो क्योंकि नेटवर्क इश्यूज भी है.
Okay, okay. Try to come again. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Can I speak in Hindi, sir?
Speak in Hindi. Okay. Speak in Hindi, no problem. Because some students are there. They are from south part of India, so they don't understand Hindi. But it's okay. You take your comfort. You speak in Hindi, no problem.
Okay, sir. Hello, guys. Myself Karan Rajwade, and I recently appear GATE exam with lot of experience, which I want to share all of you. तो मेरा प्रिपरेशन जर्नी ऐसा था कि मैं सर शायद जून से स्टार्ट किया था ना सर का, मतलब पेड वाला कोर्स लेके 15K वाली, बिकॉज इतना मेरे पास मनी नहीं था, तो मैं उसी से काम चलाया. और मैं जितने भी वीडियोस देखा उसमें मेरे को एनफ आइडियाज देखे, मतलब क्या पढ़ना चाहिए क्या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. हेलो.
हाँ Karan, you are going well. Go ahead.
स्टार्टिंग में मैं अच्छे से प्रिपेयर हो गया था, बट लास्ट में थोड़ा मेरा फैमिली इश्यूज की वजह से उतना अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं हो पाया. इस वजह से मैं उतना मतलब अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया. मुझे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैं अगर एग्जाम दूंगा काम माइंड से तो मच मोर बेटर कर सकता हूँ.
Okay, go ahead.
एंड गाइस, जितना हो सके जल्दी अपना सब सिलेबस पूरा कीजिए. एंड कॉन्सेप्ट कभी किसी भी कॉन्सेप्ट कभी स्किप मत कीजिए. हमेशा जितना टाइम भी डाउट आता है उतना टाइम क्लियर कर लीजिए. सर एनी टाइम अवेलेबल रहें फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग. एंड सर ऑल्सो मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं बीच बीच में, उसका टेंशन भी मत लेना. और और जो जैसे कि सभी लोग ने बताया कि मतलब गेट का जो कैलकुलेटर होता है उसको ही यूज करो. और जितना हो सके ना कि मतलब खुद से मतलब सॉल्विंग करने का ट्राई करो, ना कि उसी गेट पे ही डिपेंडेंट हो. क्योंकि जैसे मेरे साथ अभी रिसेंटली में एक हो गया था कि जैसे मैं मतलब कंप्यूटर में बैठा था, उसमें कुछ डाटा और दे रहा था, कुछ और इनपुट हो रहा था, या कुछ डबल ट्रिपल इनपुट हो जा रहा था। तो इस सब से बचने के लिए जितना हो सके हैंड हैंड प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। और सिलेबस को कंप्लीट करना, मतलब सिलेबस को कंप्लीट करना नॉट जस्ट इनफ, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस मेक्स परफेक्ट। तो जितना हो सके उतना प्रैक्टिस करो और उसमें से डाउट निकालने की कोशिश करो। जितना ज़्यादा डाउट निकालोगे उतना ज़्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होंगे और उतना ज़्यादा अच्छे से मतलब वेल परफॉर्म कर सकते हो ऑन द गेट एग्जाम।
हाँ
तो
करण।
गाइस, मैं यही बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि मतलब जितना जल्दी कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करो और मतलब प्रैक्टिस में लग जाओ। तो मेरे तरफ से ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस, एंड डू वेल एंड अचीव योर अपकमिंग
Karan,
फ्यूचर
thank
जितना
you so
जल्दी हो।
much. Thank you so much. It was a good talk. Karan, आप किस कॉलेज से हैं?
मैं मैथ यूनिवर्सिटी छत्तीसगढ़ से, जो कि इतना फेमस भी
हाँ
नहीं है।
हाँ
मैं
हाँ. Yes, he's from MATS University, Chhattisgarh, and he joined me for the video program. He was having some financial conditions, so he took 15K course. But I know that in the beginning he was doing really good. He used to ask, even though in 15K I don't allow doubts, but because of personal relations and something, and like I used to know that he is really working hard by seeing his test paper results. So I was not following this 15K conditions, because anyway you pay me 5K or you pay me 85K. What is your intention and what is my intention? We both need better rank. So for that, I became very different with Karan, and sometimes he used to ask doubts, not very frequently, and I used to tackle that sometimes. In the beginning, I used to say him that no, you are not in the particular course, but soon I realized that he needs personal guidance and he can do really well. So with that, I was helping him, and but in the last, he was facing some family situations. Because of that, he messed up the preparation, and in last 3 months he could not revise well. And this year his attempt is not sufficient well. Let's see, once he will be getting his result, then I will guide him, at least in worst case, if there is any possibility to get any IIT, so he will be in my contact always, and he's going to continue again with me. Okay, thank you so much, Karan. Now who is the next one? Shruti. Shruti, you please continue now.
Hare Krishna, sir. Am I audible?
Hare Krishna, Shruti, you are well audible, go ahead. Shruti,
Hare
start with
Krishna.
your basic intro.
Okay, sir. Good evening. My name is Shruti Chaturvedi. I am from Varanasi, and currently I'm studying in FGIT Raebareli. And currently I'm in third year of my college. So as everyone have given very nice guidance, so I won't be giving very nice guidance, but still I'll try to share my experience, whatever I have went through in 1 year of my study. So when you are starting with your GATE preparation, you must be, as sir has said before, you must be focused only on your GATE preparation, nothing else. You don't have to worry about whether I have to do very nice internship or not, whether I have to score very nice or top in your university exam or not. It shouldn't be the case. Yeah, but yes, you must focus on your studies, and with studies of your GATE you can also clear your semesters very nicely and very easily. Also, you must do lots of practice. Practice is very important. What I faced in this GATE exam was that lack of revision of formulas. Formulas are very important. Of whatever subject it is, doesn't matter, but formulas are really necessary. You must prepare each and every formula, as sir told before, that formula must be on your fingertips, each and every subject. So revise formulas nicely, practice it. Also, you should be very good in your concepts, because even if you don't remember formula, if you're good in concepts, you can create them into the examination hall. But the problem is that you don't have that amount of time to create them in your examination hall. But still, if you are good in concept, you can formulate the formula, but still you must remember formula as well, and also you must be good in concepts, very good in concepts, as everyone has told before. Also, I will say only one thing, that
Yes, Shruti, go ahead.
yes, also, okay sir, also you must have laser sharp focus, like I will give example of Arjun, because everyone knows how laser sharp focus Arjun had. So I'll share a story with you, with everyone here. The story is like when Dronacharya took all the five Pandavas and also Kauravas in the field, in the forest, for the practice of archery. So Dronacharya asked everyone, first he asked Yudhishthir to pick up the bow. He had set Dronacharya had set a parrot on the tree. So he asked Yudhishthir, pick up the bow, and he asked, what you see? So Yudhishthir said, I can see tree, I can see body of the parrot, I can see the eyes of the parrot. So Dronacharya said, okay, sit down. So next was Bhim. So he asked, sorry, the next was Duryodhan. So he asked Duryodhan, pick up the bow, what you can see on the tree. So Duryodhan said, for Duryodhan did some flattery and he said, oh Gurudev, I can see only you. So Dronacharya said, please sit down. So next was Bhim. So Dronacharya asked Bhim, Bhim, get up, pick up the bow and what you can see. So Bhim said, I can see mangoes, lots of mangoes. So Dronacharya said, can you see parrot over there? So he said, no, Gurudev, I can see only mangoes. I don't have I'm not able to even find where the parrot is. So Dronacharya said, it's okay, sit down. Now, similarly goes with Nakul, Sahdev, and it's time for Arjun. So Dronacharya said, Arjun, pick up the bow, what you can see on the tree. So Arjun said, Gurudev, the eyes of the parrot. What else you can see? Dronacharya asked. Arjun said, eyes of the parrot. Dronacharya asked again, what you can see? Still. So Arjun said, only the eyes of the parrot. So Dronacharya said, okay, now you can shoot. So this sharp focus a student must have in his life, in his or her life, that you can't see even anything around you. I will share also a little bit experience of my JEE preparation when I was preparing for JEE. So I had nothing to do with mobile phone. Means now we are doing everything online, so we have to, but still no distractions at all. I would not speak to anyone in family or in relatives. My food would come to me, my mother would take it to me, and I would eat wherever I'm studying, and then I would carry on with my study and would sleep near my study table, would get up again, study a little bit more, prepare for coaching, and then go to coaching. So you should be means so sharp or so focused in your towards your goal that you don't even see anything means anything. You only have focus towards whatever you are studying. So only this is what I want to say. I don't have anything else, but all the best everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. It was really good talk. And this story, I didn't know the Bhim part, like mango part. Otherwise, everything I was knowing. Thank you for this. Okay. So really good. Now I have uh, I have Vedant here. I can't see Vedant here. Yeah, I have Vedant here now. Yes, Vedant, now this is your turn. Please go ahead with your basic introduction.
Yes, sir. So yes, sir. So first of all, good evening, everyone. My name is Vedant Parekh, and I am studying from MIT University, Mumbai, and I am an fourth year aeronautical engineer. So like I have given GATE earlier in 2022. Now I am again given the GATE in 2023 this year. So what what my experience is that this GATE exam is like a game changer for your entire life. So being an aerospace engineer, you have to focus like yeah, everybody should be focused in their life, in their career. So if you are if you are going for MTech, or if you are if you have dream to uh, if you have dream to pursue MTech, MS or PhD from IIT, then you should have strong focus on GATE exam. So on like in aerospace engineer, GATE exam is like very much important. So in GATE exam, like for aerospace engineering, there are many subjects, and each subject you have to you have to be strong, compulsory, if you want good score and rank. Um, so my strong suggestion is those who are weak in aptitude and maths, first of all practice from this month only, so that at the end you will not be like it will be complex in the last month to prepare all the maths and aptitude. Then Viru sir is there for you. He is the Rajnikant of aerospace, so don't worry about the core concept. He will he will teach you, and you will be pro in every subject. In aircraft structure also, like every student has not very strong grip on aircraft structure, but if Viru sir is teaching, then you have strongest grip on aircraft structure. So
कितना लोगे वेदांत?
अरे नहीं सर, बोलना पड़ता है, मतलब आप सच्ची में इतना अच्छा
सच
सिखाते हो.
बोल
Like
रहा है सर, एकदम करेक्ट, एब्सोल्यूट.
sir is teaching very nice, like very nice. Like he's strong. He makes the concept strong, mainly of aircraft propulsion. Like in first lecture, I have experienced like after the GATE exam, after GATE 2022, I have joined in for 2023 batch. So he's first teaches us from aircraft propulsion, first concept of from thermodynamics, that is continuum. And from in this year also he will explain from there only. So for managing the exam properly, so you have to give proper time to every subject. Every subject means aerodynamics, flight mechanics, aircraft propulsion. And at the end of September or October, so you will get to know that which subject is strong or which subject is weak, because you will get to know that which concept you are lagging behind. So I will tell you what is tough in this aerospace engineering, or like subject wise. Aircraft structure is tough because it involves like basic concepts of mechanical engineering, like in basics of strength of materials that comes in core mechanical engineering, and then the aircraft structures core that we have, like thin wall and all that, torsion, bending, and thin wall structure beam. Because in aircraft structure, it involves maths concepts also. So those who are weak in maths, so they could have a problem in aircraft structure. So I strongly suggest to first master the maths, like a partial differential equation, ordinary differential equation, integral calculus, and all. Basically means calculus part. And for aircraft propulsion, I strongly suggest that it depends on person's memory base, because aircraft propulsion is memory based game. Those who have sharp memory, and they can solve aircraft propulsion, and by
Are you
practice also
pointing?
they can.
Are you pointing Imanshi?
No, sir. I am telling my thoughts on these subjects.
Yeah, just kidding. Go ahead, please.
So I would like this aircraft propulsion is scoring subject, but if you have focus and also very complex subject that you can expect that you can get a mistake in this subject in aircraft propulsion, because even if you miss a single decimal point, or even if you miss one any parameter in the formula, then you can get a wrong answer. And believe me, in aircraft propulsion the formulas are very complex, so you should have a strong grip on these formulas. Aircraft propulsion is full formula based game. So aircraft propulsion and aircraft structure are very heavy in whole aerospace department. And in aerodynamics, flight mechanics, space dynamics, and all that, these are easy subjects, but yet to very complex. You should have a focus on these subjects also, apart from aircraft propulsion and aircraft structure. In like most of the students have problem in flight mechanics, this stability and control part. This stability and control part topic is full of loaded with full partial differential equation concepts of maths. So it is other than aircraft propulsion, this flight stability and control is also a formula part. Whole stability and control is a formula part. Only you have to understand the concept of aerodynamic center of pressure, CG, and all that. Like basic physics, what is force, what is torque, what is momentum. So after knowing these concepts, you can get to know the stability and control very, very well. And I will come to aerodynamics. In aerodynamics, fluid, they have given aerodynamics fluid mechanics portion is 40 to 50%, and rest for 60 to 50% is like from aerodynamics core concepts in aerospace. So first of all, by doing aerodynamics, you should first know the fluid mechanics from mechanical department. And after all this all these subjects, when October November month starts, you should focus on test series, like topic wise test series, subject wise test series, and all that. And also full length test series in January, because test series is the way to understand that how in which concept you are lagging behind, or in which concept you are strong, whether you can remember the formula or not to a particular question, in how much time you are solving that particular question. So time management is also important while solving a test series. Yeah, so basically in full length test series, time is very important, time management is very important. And finally the end game begins, that is GATE exam. On the day of GATE exam. So these are my thoughts on this whole 1 year journey.
Okay, thank you, Vedant. Thank you so much. Yes, Imanshi, you
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead.
Thank you, sir, and everyone.
Yes, sir. So I would like to give one suggestion,
Sure,
one very
sure.
important suggestion. That is,
Definitely.
just make one friend within the coaching, okay? Like for me, Vedant was one of the friend with whom we have fought like almost every single day when we are discussing doubts. So it will form a trio, that you, your friend, and sir. Whenever you are on the call discussing anything, you will fought, you will learn, and you will just prepare yourself. So just find one friend whom with you can fight as well as learn new things. So like for me, structure is my strong subject, and for Vedant, propulsion is his strong subject. So what whenever we are talking, we are putting out doubts, and he have a very sharp memory, but my memory is very, very, very weak. I can't remember all the formula that much. Okay. So what happens is he taught me propulsion thing, and I taught him structure, in which he is worst. Okay. So things will go like that. But don't be like Vedant, okay, that you have to fight on every single thing. You just try to understand your opinion as well as other opinion also. So just make only one friend. If you go with a group or something like that, you will fall behind. But with one single person, you have a competition as well. You have a very you are preparing for a same thing, so you have a very similar kind of thoughts as well as different thoughts. So together when it merges, and whenever you are asking your concern with a superior, that is sir, then it will give you a very fruitful result. So that is very, very important thing to do.
Okay.
So that's it, sir.
And
So everyone
okay,
make
great.
one.
It is really good suggestion. I hope you understood what she's trying to say. She's trying to say that you should have your partner, study partner, anyone, like a girl can be with a girl can be with a guy, anything. It's up to your comfort, or it's up to the availability. Definitely one thing is very common, like if any girl will approach to any guy, like any boy will not say no, because this is my personal experience. But if any boy will approach to the girl, there is like 90% chance you will be getting rejection. This is also my personal experience. So guys, be like strong at this point. And this part I want to say, like when Himanshi and Vedant, they will study together, what they do, they will get stuck somewhere, they will fight properly with each other, and then they will make a group WhatsApp call, and they will merge me without any prior call, without any prior text. They will simply call me, and definitely, because I have promised in the beginning, I have taken fees and I love them. So, and this is my responsibility, so I used to be on call, and on call also, roughly half an hour they will fight, and my role will not be there at all. Like I'll say, yeah, yeah, yes, yes, you are right, yes, yes, you are wrong, yes, yes, you are right, yes, you are wrong. Then finally only one statement conclusion, this, yeah, this is the fine thing, and they will be satisfied by, that's all. So this was actually, now I want to say, see, whatever you have gone through, whatever these people have given suggestion, these are very practical, very, very practical and valuable suggestions. Actually, yeah, I used to say that kya tum log bacche ki tarah lad rahe ho every time, like Tom and Jerry. But see, it will help you, whatever talks we have done here, like Aishwarya and Dushyant, Himanshi, Karan, and oh yeah, Neeraj is remaining, sorry to so Neeraj is the Neeraj and Sanjana, Neeraj and Sanjana is remaining. So yeah. So now this is Neeraj's turn, and then I'll come to Sanjana. Neeraj, you start, and first you start with your basic intro. Neeraj?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Go ahead, Neeraj.
Yes, sir. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Neeraj Tambuli. I am from LPU, I think Lovely Professional University. So, first I will.
Yes, Neeraj. Neeraj, your mic is mute, it seems. Unmute your mic.
Hello. Sorry, actually,
Yes,
my
now
mic
go
was
ahead.
muted. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Go ahead. From the beginning.
सर मतलब प्रोसेस क्या चल रहा था, मैं मीटिंग में नहीं था, तो बता सकते हैं मतलब क्या फॉर्मेट से चल रहा है?
आप फॉर्मेट ये कि आपका जो 1 साल का जो अनुभव रहा है, जो भी आपने अप्स एंड डाउन्स फील किए हैं, वो नए बच्चों को बताना है कि नए बच्चे उस चीज को कैसे टैकल करेंगे, क्या क्या परेशानियां उनको आ सकती हैं, सब कुछ अवेलेबल होने के बाद भी लोग क्यों फेल हो जाते हैं, ये सारी बातें अपन से कीजिए इन इंग्लिश।
ओके सर।
और आपका ट्रू एक्सपीरियंस आप शेयर कीजिए विदाउट बीइंग बायस्ड, विदाउट एनी इन्फ्लुएंस। गो अहेड।
Okay, sir. So first I'll talk about my GATE preparation journey. So first thing that I will give suggestion to all juniors and who are going to prepare 2024 is you should be regular, like arrange all formulas on revise all formulas on regular basis and make notes. Don't give anything for like left anything for I will do later, otherwise you are in trouble. Like that I think I have faced in December month this thing. For that reason my structure portion is left. And the second thing, revise on regular basis or weekly basis. and don't left any test series. Like whenever you have completed any topic, then start giving test. So it will be very clear for you, like मतलब कितने पानी में वो पता चल जाता है जैसे टेस्ट सीरीज कंप्लीट करो. Like sometimes it's happen like we think that is I have understand everything, but when we are going to solve this question, then we have to realize that then we have we have realized that we didn't understand anything well. Like how much we have understand that we can test ourselves by giving test series only. And don't feel panic when you are sitting in exam. Yeah, sir, this thing all.
Okay,
That's
okay,
all.
Neeraj, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Neeraj has joined me for 2 years when he was in second year, and now he's in third year. So he has shared these things. Thank you, Neeraj. And now Abhishek Visagan is actually coming and going, coming and going. I can't see Abhishek now. Okay, fine. So Sanjana, this is your turn. Whatever you have experienced throughout the year, share your experience.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sanjana Sagar. Currently, I'm in third year. This message for juniors and who is going to attempt GATE exam for the very first time in 2024. I bought videos
college?
lecture. Sir, from Chandigarh University.
Yeah.
I bought video lecture in last year from this coaching concept library. In late August, I think. I did not prepare well because of some reason. This is my fault only. But I want to say something, whatever I study here, it's worth it because I'm able to understand the question in exam. Whatever I study here, it means if I had studied properly, so I do well in my exam. But one more important thing, you can't crack this exam in just few months. You need to give at least 1 year, or if better, you give your 2 year of preparation for this exam for the best result. You just need to follow sir and nothing to do yourself. Follow everything whatever sir say because we don't need to study everything. We have to study only that thing which is in our GATE syllabus because we have to complete our syllabus for best result. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Sanjana. Almost, actually, I invited 30 plus students, but only few talks we had. But whatever talks we had, it was very healthy. Everything was point to point. I hope newcomers are enjoying this talk. And uh, really, it was like more than my expectation. This day one was really good because actually I thought to ask my own students whatever they have experienced to share. So they have done this. Really, this is amazing, and I was glad to know that actually they are a good speaker as well. Being an aeronautical aerospace engineer, they're not just like a machine; they're able to convey their messages. Thank you, all of you. And now this is my turn. I am going to convey few important things. So now old students who are not going to attempt 2024, it's up to them. If they want, they can stay in the meeting, or if they have some important work, they can leave with due respect. I'm saying this, I'm not removing them from out of meeting. You guys can stay here, or it's up to you. So now let's continue about our thing for 2024 batch. See here, first thing is in the beginning, concept is important. And when session gets over, when October month gets over, after October month, then formula is important. After October month, you cannot work on your concept. Means what? From day one of your class with me, you have to bother about formula. See, actually, what happens in the beginning, I teach less, so you will not revise that because day one will be like very easy thing. Same experience you'll be having at day two, same experience at day three. You know why? Because I teach really well. You will feel that yes, it's very easy. Things are going very easy. Things are like you are able to understand. But meanwhile, what mistake you are doing? You are not revising because you are understanding already. So you will be thinking that, okay, things are really going well, so you will not revise. So for revision purpose, best part is you solve assignment on time. Now see, when I say on time, it has a deep meaning, means on time. See, most of the time, I can say 95% engineers, including UG, PG, PhD, everything, they complete assignment because of requirement of completion. They don't complete the assignment as practice point of view. So my point is, you have to complete your assignment as practice point of view, and that is the best way to keep the concept in touch. And my these things are designed very properly. I have designed these things by paying complete attention. Okay, you know that I have qualified 6 times. Means, you know what? I was involved into GATE preparation, GATE coaching. See, I have not been into single digit rank because only one small factor. I was busy in teaching and I was busy in earning money. I'm not money minded type of person, but I was earning money like anything. So my primary focus was earning money, and I was good in concept. So, and definitely when someone says that, okay, sit and practice questions, I don't have time to practice because I have another class. But your situation is different. You can be the first ranker. Still, I'm waiting for that person who can give me the first rank. From my side, you will be getting everything. So concept is important. How will you cover the concept? See, process will be like this. You will come to the classroom. I will teach everything in the classroom. You will go home. Related assignments will be there. You will practice the assignment. Which assignment you have to practice, that I will tell you in the live class itself. I will share my screen and I will show you where the assignment is kept on the Google Drive. Okay, so that work you should not do as per your free time. That work you should do in a given span by myself. Like if I'm saying that, okay, today is 15th Feb, by 17th you finish this assignment. So you should finish that. It's not like, okay, this is online class, doesn't matter and all. You know what happens actually in the beginning days? It goes like this. At day one, 20 students will be there. After a few days, the graph will go like this. 40 may be there in live class. Then suddenly graph will go this much, like 3 to 4 people will come live class. Why? Because they are not able to complete things on time. This is practical situation of every year. 3 to 4 students, they will be in the live session. Actually 3 to 4 is very less, I'm saying. Roughly 10 students used to be there in the last moment. Why this data is? Because most of the students, they will be completely based on videos. Even though they are paying 35,000, 45,000, 55,000, but in the last, they will be completely based on like a 15K course. And later they are expecting best rank. So if you will not do on time, you will not get best rank. Of course, there are some superheroes. I am not including their story here. I am following an average path. This should be your path. So learn in the class, ask your doubts. I will love that if you are asking your doubts. If you are not asking your doubt, I will leave you. Because if you are doing things in my way, then I will be with you as per your need. But if you are not doing things in my way, then I am a money minded person in that case. I got my money, that's all. That's all really. If you will not work, I will come to know very soon that within 1 month, I will judge the student that, okay, this student will do or this student will not do something. I have so much experience, all types of experience, academic and emotional both. I'm a very good friend. If you are a very good friend, I'm really a good friend. I will sacrifice my sleep for you, but that sacrifice should be regular. It's not like in the beginning, a few days you are disturbing me, you are disturbing my sleep just because you have given me money. I am bonded with you and everything we are doing in the beginning, but after slowly few days, few months, and then I am seeing that you are not working well. So rank will not come. Definitely you will qualify, but rank will not come. So meanwhile, I will be guiding you. And one thing I don't like in class, please maintain that, and that is be on time in the class. It is online class, so like it's like news starts on time, so you guys also come on time. That's all. See, guidance, everyday guidance is important. I will be giving you in the live class every day. Like I get text messages on YouTube comments and on WhatsApp comments, like, sir, I want to qualify GATE exam, please guide me. It is not 1 day guidance, it is not 1 week guidance. Where will you be stuck? Who knows? I don't know. There is not a set problem. that okay, every year you will be having only this problem. No, every individual will be having different situation, different society, different grown-up phase, different problems. So there is no one line answer that okay, this is the way to qualify GATE exam. Maybe in the beginning will be something else, in the mid of session will be something else, later it will be something else. I am not demotivating you, I am saying follow me blindly whatever I am saying. If you are like you don't have free time, if you are going through your college work, so it is not only you, whole India is going through. Yeah, so I was saying that only you are not having the specific situation of college burden, your guide burden, or your UG things. Everyone is going through that. Even topper is going through that. Okay, means what? There are so many things where your time is being wasted. You have to find out that part, what you are doing in your personal life. Don't waste your time with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, because once you'll be successful person, either you are girl or boy, you can have anyone. Believe me, you can have anyone. I had a breakup long back in my time because I was not rich, and now my situation and scenario is entirely different. Nothing works if you are not a successful person. Nothing works. So I mean to say, your birthday is not important now. Your parents' anniversary is not important now. Anything is not important now. Only one thing is important: your health for study purpose. Don't involve yourself into extracurricular activities like major projects of very heavy level, or gym. Some people go to gym, right? Heavy gym and all. Like, I mean to say, if you can manage, you do. But if you are having that, okay, GATE syllabus is in pending, GATE homework assignments are in pending, then you are on wrong track. Your GATE assignment, GATE syllabus, I don't give you like hell. No. I know how much should I give, but because you are not involving properly, that's why you are not able to complete your GATE thing. Okay, I mean to say, you are not involving yourself properly. So your involvement matters a lot. Okay, coming to class, maintaining notebook is not one thing, is not the main thing. We have to revise well, we have to go through assignments. See, actually, when something is complicated, then we will convert that into scientific way. So I have converted these things like 4 dots. Okay, you need mood to study, you need proper material to study, you need proper master to guide you, then you'll be having proper marks. So these 4M will shape your career. How to work? You need mood. Mood means you need mood. You understand what mood I'm talking? I mean, you need that self motivation that you have to work for the GATE exam. If you are preparing for GATE exam because your mom is saying, dad is saying, I am saying, someone else is saying, then definitely slowly you will lose your mood. Next part is, if you're losing your mood, I am not going to return your fees at any cost. Next part, you need a right material, so that is not your problem. I am there for that. You need right master, I am there for that. And marks depends. Okay, I am not responsible for your marks. I am only responsible for the concept what I teach, for the test series, for your build up before exam, because I am not going to write exam in GATE exam. You are going to sit on that hot seat. Okay, so if you are being successful, definitely I will take the credit. But if you are going to fail in the GATE exam, then that is not my problem. I hope you understand on what sense I'm saying. Because from my teaching only, from my content only, people are qualifying the GATE exam and they are going to IIT. So it means I am proving that you are at the right place for the GATE classes, right? Now, if you are being fail, then it's not like in one day you are being fail. Complete month, every year you will be fail. Sorry, I mean every month you are being fail. You are not doing test series properly. You are not submitting assignment properly. You are not asking doubts. It means what? You are going in which direction? You are going to fail direction. I will tell you a life graph. Life graph is not like this. Life graph is not like this. If you are not working on the thing, that thing will go down always. If you are working on the thing, then you can maintain that. But if you are genius, you are extra hard worker, then only you can build something. So we need this. Okay, so if you are an average guy, from now onwards, you are not an average guy. Once you have paid the fees and for GATE exam and all, then you have to work like a machine. It's really, life is really like a 3-date movie. Seriously, you have to work like a machine. Otherwise, some other people are there, they are working like a machine. Get my logic? Out of 100 marks, suppose you are getting 45 marks, but you are the last person out of 5,000 students. Are you going to get the GATE seat? No. IIT seat. Okay, because other than you, other people are getting 85 marks, 82 marks, 70 marks. Okay, so these kind of guidance you will be having every day, what to do, what not to do. It is up to you, you are following or not. Very soon I will come to know that you are following or not. If you will not follow properly, then you will see that even my focus is not towards you. Okay, I have got my fees, right? That is the meaning of advance payment. I will not even bother you are working or not. So I will be bothering about those students who are really working, because my time is also should be for the right person. Okay, now one painful story, understand. Actually, roughly 70 to 75% students will qualify GATE exam from my coaching center. 25% students roughly, they don't qualify GATE exam. These 25% students, they don't qualify GATE exam because of, if reason is genuine, then we don't count, but actually reason is not genuine. It's not like on that day itself they are not qualifying the GATE exam. They don't qualify test series also, they don't qualify assignment also, like back to back they are being not qualified in the 1 year program. From there itself I will come to know that okay, this is going to be fail. But sometimes I see miracles, people qualify GATE exam, somehow they qualify GATE exam. How do they qualify, that I don't know, but sometimes they qualify GATE exam even though they have not done well, impression is not good, but they qualify GATE exam. Okay, so now you see the syllabus. Aircraft propulsion and aircraft structure, these two portions are lengthiest and toughest. And as per your taste, like some people like coffee, some people like tea. In tea also some people like ginger tea, something something. So aircraft propulsion and aircraft structure, you will come to know that what is tough for you, or maybe you will say that sir, nothing is tough for me, everything is going cool. Now next part, in aircraft propulsion you have thermodynamics. So this thermodynamics, you will not be having direct question. It will work like a tool to understand gas dynamics, to understand your jet propulsion. Okay, so gas dynamics and jet propulsion. Actually, gas dynamics is the part of aerodynamics. I don't teach under aerodynamics, I teach under aircraft propulsion because of the advantages. And some more syllabus is there. I will discuss this part later. In aircraft structure, actually see, you may be aware of strength of material. And before strength of material, you have to be really good in basic physics. So I will teach that part also, basic physics part, and then strength of material. And then I'll be going to our core aircraft structure. And after that, we'll be having a major portion to cover, that is vibration. And see again in vibration, what to do, what not to do, it depends on the student. In vibration, like in live class, I told you some portions to skip. Some students, they were good, so I gave them separate notes and separate videos so that they can cover that part. So after understanding your position, I will advise you what to do, what not to do, because I have told you that I will be guiding you like a private tuition. Private tuition means it's not like you are sitting with 100 students. No, you are sitting only for me, I am there only for you, so I'll be guiding you. You have to call me, you have to talk to me, sir, this part is tough, this part is easy, according to that we will manage. So structure and propulsion, it takes roughly 4 months to cover these two syllabus in detail. So when I am finishing aircraft propulsion and aircraft structure, same time you have to finish. After that, you are remaining with flight mechanics and aerodynamics, rocket propulsion, and space dynamics. So rocket and space, you don't even consider as a syllabus. It is just a one-day game. This I will explain later. It is very, very easy, and you have very compact syllabus for these two. So you don't even consider this as this thing as a syllabus. Like you consider 4 to 5 marks are fixed. They are already in your hand because of rocket and space. The way I will teach, the way I will make everything will be like 4 to 5 marks are fixed. So out of 100 marks, and one more thing, please avoid one thing. Don't do anything like, don't try to be Einstein or Newton for a particular topic. Okay, because I used to be like that in my time, but those things will not work. Point to point concept you have to build up. No need to do PhD on a particular thing. If you want to do PhD, no problem, it is your waste of time, because anyway you are giving me fees, so it is my duty to discuss anything. If you want to discuss anything, it is your phone call, it is my phone call, you can waste your time. Okay, so whatever I'm going through, you have to take this very strict. And again, I'm repeating, be in the class on time. Be in the class on time, everyone. Now next thing, after come to flight mechanics. Flight mechanics is average kind of subject. Toughness level is not very high. In flight mechanics, you have something called performance, and you have something called aircraft stability and control. Okay, so in performance part, you have a subcategory that is atmosphere. So atmosphere and performance entirely, this is very easy. Aircraft stability and control, this is not tough, it is conceptual, because mathematics is loaded here. So if a student is good in math, this is very easy part. It is like a story when I'll be teaching you flight mechanics. Okay, so this is easy subject, I will consider this is easy subject, but at student level it is moderate level subject. Aerodynamics, you will consider aerodynamics as easiest subject, but in aerodynamics you have gas dynamics, what I have already covered in propulsion. So gas dynamics, I am damn sure you will be best in gas dynamics, because gas dynamics is very important part. After gas dynamics, you will be having some basic fluid mechanics, and important thing is your potential flow. And then you will be having some basic laws and theories of aerodynamics, right? So aerodynamics you'll consider is the easiest subject. And other than these six classifications, two more are there: your general aptitude and your engineering mathematics. See here, general aptitude, you have to grow. If you are well, then no problem. If you are not good here, then you have to grow this. So this you can't grow in 1 month or 2 months. Every day you have to practice this. Now it's up to you, because general ability, I don't know how much good you are. So I will be guiding you what to practice. You have to practice, and you have to ask doubts for general ability. Okay, and definitely I'll be teaching in the class also. But my point is, if I will teach things in the class, you will not be having enough time to practice. So this part you have to practice separately. Okay, so commonly I will be guiding everyone how to practice general ability. Same thing goes with engineering mathematics. Engineering mathematics is again a different thing. If you are a good person, if you have done engineering mathematics in your 11th and 12th, if your basics are good, this is not a tough subject. But if your basic is not good, then whatever you do practice, you will not be able to do engineering mathematics problems in GATE exam. You will not be able to do. Again, I'm repeating what I'm saying. It is very strong point. If you are not good in 11th and 12th in mathematics, then it will be extremely hard to do GATE questions of engineering mathematics. So now what to do? For that only you have joined coaching, correct? To qualify only you have joined coaching. So two things: either you change your marking strategy. If something is weak, then make something strong. Or you find more time and complete your basic fundamentals and core of engineering mathematics. This is second way. Okay, I hope you understood. So again, it depends on what type of student you are. So now uh, like I asked all these my old students to give some ideas, so they have done. Now I have done. Now it is your point. I want to talk to all my new students. So let's start with alphabetical order. So let's start with Abhishek P. Kolur. Abhishek, I want to know that like how will you manage things and what is your strategy with me?
Yes, sir. Sir, shall I give my introduction? Or?
Yeah, definitely you give. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes.
Give your introduction.
Yes. Myself Abhishek, and I'm from Karnataka. Now I am studying in BMS College of Engineering, Aerospace Engineering.
Yeah, go ahead.
And I follow you, sir. That's it. Like I still not prepared any strategy and all. So I follow you, sir.
Okay, great. Follow me. Okay, so alphabetical order. Next one. Thank you, Abhishek. Akash. Akash, you have to unmute your mic and then you speak. Akash, if you have trouble, then leave the meeting and join again. Ayush? Yes, Akash.
Am I audible?
Wait. I think Akash is coming now.
Okay.
Yes, Akash, go ahead. Okay, Akash is not audible. Akash, you try later after Ayush. Ayush, now your turn.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. Myself, Ayush Devak. I'm pursuing my BTech in aerospace from SRM IST Chennai, and currently I'm in my third year. I belong to Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, and my strategy would be like, sir, you have guided me. You've given me with the links of the previous year classes, so I'm following them and I'm trying to be ahead of the classes, and I'm trying to manage my college work, my uh, research paperworks, and the GATE syllabus. I'll be in upcoming weeks, I'll be focusing more on GATE. So yeah, that's what my strategy is. And I'll try my best to follow you.
Very good, Ayush. One more thing I want to mention: whoever has taken admission for the live class, I have given them video lectures. So you guys have to be ahead of my present class. Okay, whatever I am teaching, I have taught in 2023 batch. That video I have given to everyone. 2022 and 2021, those videos not needed because you need any 1 year. So that's why I have given you latest video. So you guys follow that latest video before coming to class. You have to be ahead of me. That is the best strategy, because you will understand lot of things from the video, and after that, if you will come to the class, then it will be very enjoyable, so that you can do cross questions. If I am putting any sudden surprise question, you can work on that also. So it will be a very healthy practice. So you go through videos and be prepared in advance before my class, and then come to the class, and you will come to know that how to maintain the flow when you will go through the videos. That time itself you will come to know the, okay, now first law over, now second law over, then sir is teaching entropy, so these kind of questions sir is asking. Oh, this year sir did not ask this question, sir is asking this question. So variety of questions also you will see if you are following videos also and live classes also. So this will be the track. Okay, now Banani, it's your turn.
Yes, so I am from Hindustan Institute of Science and Technology, HITS, Chennai. And sir, am I audible?
Yes, Banani. Yeah, go ahead. You are audible.
Sir, like about the academic stress and that thing, I want to manage all the things. For example, the mental and academic as well. Like I want to explore in this parts, like mentally also, and I will focus on building up the concepts. That's it, sir.
Very good, Barani, very good. Now I have Bindu. Bindu, your turn.
Hello, sir. My name is Bindu. I'm from Andhra Pradesh and I'm studying in Hindustan Institute of Technology. It's Chennai. Actually, I'm poor in concepts. I'm good with equations and formulas. So I'll concentrate on concepts more, and I'll take your guidance in this. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Thank you, Bindu. Guys, one thing, whenever anyone is feeling weak in any concept, please don't hesitate. Okay, and don't show off for any concept. You be humble with me and everyone. Okay, really, I know a lot of things. If student is asking the right question, then I'll be giving you right answer. And if you will ask this, that, here and there, then I'll be replying those questions. So we have to avoid waste of time. We have to keep ourselves point to point. Like Bindu said, she is weak in some concepts and like basics or something. Don't worry, Bindu. I am going to teach everything from very basic. Your job is to manage things from day one. That's all. Any that kind of load will not be there, that okay, very hectic. No, I will make it very simple, but everyday revision is important. If any day you are missing revision of your notebook only, then somehow try to manage that revision somehow the same night. You should not miss the revision part, because see, if you are revising 1 page, 2 page, whatever you are making notes every day, That is best strategy, because if you revise same pages, then all the concepts will go into your mind easily. And then you will come to know what is your doubt, because knowing your doubt is also a challenging part. You will not be even knowing, okay, what is your doubt part. Okay, let's go with Diya Shah. Diya, let's start.
Yes, I'm audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Diya Shah. I'm currently pursuing computer engineering from Mumbai University. This is like my new journey. Hope you will all support me. Also, sir is going to guide me through all my journey. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Diya. Definitely, Diya is from computer science department, and she has taken a very big decision that she is going to write GATE Aerospace. So definitely, we all have to help Diya. Definitely, I will be there, and along with my decision, I will ask Abhishek, Akash, Ayush, Banani, Bindu, these people to help Diya whenever she's having any trouble. Just help her. Don't think that if you guys will help her, then she will be the first ranker and you guys will be second ranker. These kind of thoughts some students may have, so avoid that. I can't say that be like a girlfriend boyfriend, but definitely be like a very good friend, so that you guys can have the space, that kind of space. Anytime you guys can text each other, anytime you guys can call each other. Actually, I will be there. I will be there. But if there will be like a team, like we used to be in college, so that will be very healthy. So really, it will be very, very healthy. So Karan, we have gone through Karan. Now Keshav Chaudhary, your turn.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, Keshav, go ahead.
Sir, hello everyone. Myself Keshav, and I'm pursuing BTech in aerospace engineering from SRM University. And my strategy will be following, sir, mostly, because before this GATE exam, I've studied for a JEE mains and advanced both. But that time the scenario was different, because that time I didn't have to manage my school load. But this time I have to see both GATE and my college work, so I have to follow sir mostly. That's the main thing I want to say. My
Very
core
good,
focus
very
will
good,
be on
Keshav.
GATE.
Great. And one more thing, guys, I want to mention here. Actually, during your journey, you will meet some people. They will also be preparing parallel to you for the same exam, GATE Aerospace. And what they do, either they will be in different coaching center or they will be a self-study aspirant. In that case, they will be pinching you for few things, that, hey man, have you not done this question? Hey man, have you not done this concept? What your sir is teaching, why is he teaching this part? This will not come in GATE exam. Why is he leaving this part? This will definitely come in GATE exam. So these kind of discussions you have to avoid. Okay, now my point, you trust me blindly. Why it is important? See, during the classes you will come to know that I teach really well. You will not suffer for the concepts. Whenever you will ask me any concepts, I will explain that part, and I will make sure your concept is crystal clear. When actually in 2014 I had my first batch, and this is 2024. Till now I have not got first ranker, and I want the real first ranker. I don't want to pay money to someone to come to my YouTube channel and say that you are my students. Every year I get this chance, every year, because when someone is on YouTube, that person used to be more popular than a conventional coaching center. So almost every student, whoever is taking GATE Aerospace exam, I'm saying almost, so they will be in my contact. Either they have taken my course or they have not taken my course, and they will be going through some kind of discussion and guidance also. And sometimes a different coaching center students used to be in my touch like a friend, and they used to say that, sir, this concept they have not taught in this way, sir, can I ask you doubt this, that, like these kind of scenario I used to face every year. It is very, very natural. So I used to come to know that, okay, this is the situation of this coaching center, this is the situation of my coaching center, how I am taking classes, how others are taking classes, and I used to improve a lot. Last year one big mistake I did, that was my promise. It was not fake promise, but I said to my students on YouTube and everywhere that I have 275 test series already, and I am adding 125 more because I want to bring 400 test series. So this 125 test series I could not complete for this 2023 batch. But anyway, this 275 test series already more than enough and sufficient. But this year I am going to add 125 test series so that you can practice as much as possible. But according to the schedule and according to the like whatever volume we have to cover, 275 test series itself are more than enough. You guys will not be able to solve. If you are able to solve, excellent. Because I have seen all the students, some students, they have left 30 test series, 40 test series. Some students, they have not solved full length test series. So you have to take care of everything. Okay. So my point was, you be aware of those students who are saying that why are you not covering this topic, why you are not following Frank M. White book for fluid mechanics, why are you reading Anderson book this much, why are you solving why are you not solving this particular PYQ, these things. Okay, because you should have only one guide, and I truly believe I'm the best guide for you for GATE Aerospace department. Okay, now I am going to Nandan Kumar S. Nandan, go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm Nandan Kumar S. I'm studying third year in ACS College of Engineering, Bangalore.
Which one? Which college?
My strategy for this ACS College of Engineering from Bangalore.
Okay, okay.
My strategy is blindly following you, sir. But this is the
Okay.
first time, so I will follow what you say. That's it.
Okay, okay, great, great, great. Okay. Okay. Pavitra K. Your turn, Pavitra. Go ahead.
I completed BE Aeronautical Engineering from Nair Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Coming from the road. Strategy is just to, since I have not learned from my engineering due to Corona, I want to just learn the concepts very well and clear the GATE exam. My strategy would be till I am following what I have said to me, like go through the previous videos. I'm doing that. I'm trying to just make sure I'm doing well so that I can be get a good rank in the GATE exam.
Okay, very good, Pavitra. And be outspoken person. Don't be introvert. Be extrovert. Everyone be extrovert. Make a group. Find your study partner. Male, female. Don't hesitate. We are engineers. Okay. Maintain your limits and give everyone enough space so that you guys can have a very good, healthy friendship for this GATE exam. Okay, Sanjana done. Now Sri Charan Bhatt.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. Myself, Sri Charan Bhatt, and I am from Bangalore, BMS College of Engineering, second year student. And my strategy is basically just following your guidance and following your materials. And along with that, taking the key takeaway from the last competitive exam that I have faced during the +2, and
Very good,
avoiding
very
those
good.
mistakes.
That is very, very important. Yes.
Avoiding those mistakes in the next further in the future exams.
Superb, superb. And one more thing, guys, all the students who are still pursuing their UG, my guidance will be there for you for your project works. If any kind of project you are facing, any difficulty you are facing, you have decided any topic and all. So for that also, I'll be giving you complete idea what to do, how to do these things. But this facility is only for my GATE Aerospace students, like whoever has enrolled with me. Okay, for the GATE coaching. Thank you, Sricharan. Let's go ahead. Vaishnavi, this is your turn. Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi, you are now you are audible. Go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Devgire. I am currently pursuing my BTech from IIEST Shipur in Aerospace Engineering and Applied Mechanics. And currently I am following the GATE material provided by the SIRS, offline material. But there is a problem in consistency. So I am improving it as told by the senior.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you all of you. Now I am about to conclude this session. If anyone else want to say anything in the last few minutes, you're welcome. If you want to ask anything or any kind of doubt or any kind of talk, so you're most welcome. Anyone? Anyone about anything? Okay. I hope you guys have this healthy session of tonight class. So our session, like I have discussed you, will be having our regular classes, and today I'll stop the class here. Then we are going to meet on next Monday. So you understand our schedule, and if there is any update about the classes, I will update in the WhatsApp group. Actually, my classes used to be on time and all the days used to be proper until I am not having any personal work, like if I have to travel for very important work. And if the traveling day is our class day, then what I do, I skip that class, and same class I will maintain in some other day in the same week. But somehow I have to maintain my classes in the same week. And these kind of things happens because in 1 year I can't sit in single room. So sometimes I used to go to my hometown. So during if my flight or something, train or something, depends, so that classes I will postpone to the next day or day after tomorrow, like that, but same week. From your side, if you are missing any classes, no problem, video recording will be there, and it is your duty to finish that as soon as possible if you're missing the class with the videos, and ask your doubts. Now one very important thing, whatever videos I have given you already from 2023, that video you watch, and in advance you have to complete that before my session gets over in the live class. Your session should complete, okay? And you keep asking your doubts, solve assignments, and solve topic wise test series from now itself. See here, I have topic wise test series right on my website. So topic wise test series should be your final attempt. So even though if you are being late, no problem, but topic wise test series should be like a GATE exam test series, okay? So that's all from my side. And that's all. If you want to ask anything, you ask, or else we'll meet on Monday. And you are having now 3 days time. So in these 3 days time, everyone is going to be ahead from my live classes, okay? So in next class, I'll start with continuum, and you will come to know the subject profile when you will go through the recorded videos. Thank you so much. So I think I'm done. So can we off the meeting now? Can we end the meeting now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, all of you. Thank you again, and welcome to Concept Library. Study like a machine. Okay. Good night, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Thank you. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.